Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to factory reset Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. Step 1 is to turn on the glasses. Slide the power switch onto the left arm of the glasses forward to turn them on. Step 2 is to close the right arm. Fold the right temple, which is the leg of the glasses, inward, which is close onto the position, and keep the left side open. Step 3. Press the button 5 times. At the top left arm, locate the small reset button. Press it 5 times quickly and you should see an orange light appear. Step 4. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Now press and hold the same button for 5 seconds until the light begins pulsing. Step 5. Press and hold again. After the pulsing start, press and hold the button one more time for a few seconds. This puts the glasses into discovery or pairing mode and the light will start flashing. Your Ray-Ban Meta Smart glasses are now factory reset and ready to pair again with your device. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.